Have you ever looked back at a decision you made 5 years ago and thought, wow, I didn't realize that one choice would change so much? Maybe it was the job you took, the relationship you entered or left, the habit you picked up or the one you broke. Maybe it was something as small as saying yes to an opportunity or as big as moving to a new city, starting a business, or choosing to focus on your health. Today, I want to talk to you about one simple truth. This one choice you make right now can shape the next 5 years of your life. And I'm not talking about some random, once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I'm talking about the decision that's right in front of you, the one you keep putting off, the one that nags at you when you lie in bed, the one that you know deep down could change everything if you had the courage to follow through. Because let's be honest, most people don't suddenly wake up in a new life. They grow into it or drift into it because of a series of small decisions made consistently over time. And what separates those who build the life they want from those who settle is that they chose with intention. So the real question is not, will I make a choice? Because you will. Even indecision is a decision. The question is, will I make a choice that serves my future self? Most time we underestimate how powerful one decision can be. Not because it transforms our life overnight, but because it sets a direction. Think of your life as a long road trip. Every small turn might seem insignificant in the moment, but take enough wrong turns and you'll end up in a place you never meant to be. Take enough right ones and you're on the path to where you've always wanted to go. That one choice, to get healthy, to quit drinking, to wake up an hour earlier, to finally start that side project, might not seem monumental today, but that's how transformation starts. One moment, one decision, one direction. If you're waiting for everything to line up perfectly before you make a move, let me save you the trouble. It never will. Perfect timing is a myth. What you need isn't perfect timing. It's clear intent and consistent action. Here's the hard truth. The next 5 years are coming. You don't get to pause them. You don't get to opt out. But you do get to decide how they shape you and how you shape them. In 5 years, you'll either be proud of yourself or making excuses. You'll either be closer to your dreams or further away from them. You'll either have grown or stayed exactly the same. And here's the wild part. 5 years sounds like a long time, but it's not. It flies. Think about 5 years ago. Think about who you were, what you were doing. Some of you were in a different city, a different job, a different body, a different mindset. Some of you weren't even thinking about the things that now keep you up at night. Now ask yourself, what if I had started back then? What if you had just taken the leap, signed up for the course, said yes to the opportunity, chosen better, tried harder, asked for help? 5 years ago, you had no idea how valuable this moment would be, and 5 years from now, you'll be wishing you'd made the most of this one. So let me ask you again, what choice are you putting off that could change your life 5 years from now? We think change has to be dramatic to matter. But the truth is, sustainable change often starts small. You don't need to climb Everest tomorrow. You just need to start walking toward it today. Let me tell you something you may not hear often. You are allowed to start small. You are allowed to be a beginner. You are allowed to take imperfect action. Your next 5 years don't care if you start messy. They only care if you start at all. It could be the choice to finally prioritize your health, not because of the scale, but because you want to feel alive. Leave a toxic relationship, not because it's easy, but because you know you deserve peace. Wake up earlier, not because it's trendy, but because you're tired of feeling behind. Start your business, not because it's guaranteed to succeed, but because you're done living someone else's dream. Whatever your one choice is, own it. Say it out loud. Write it down. Then take the first step, even if it's shaky, even if it's small. Because once you do, momentum builds, confidence grows, and 5 years from now, you'll look back and realize that was the moment everything started to shift. Here's another thing that holds people back: waiting for permission. Some of you are waiting for someone to tell you it's okay. Okay to try. Okay to want more. Okay to be different. Okay to leave. To grow. To change. Let me be clear. You don't need anyone's permission to become who you're meant to be. Not your parents, not your boss, not your partner, not society. Your life is yours. Your next 5 years are yours. If someone doesn't believe in your vision, that's fine. It's your vision. It's not theirs to understand. It's yours to build. The moment you stop waiting for permission, the world opens up. You realize you've had the power all along. You just needed to choose to use it. One day you'll be 5 years older, and that version of you, the one who's been through it all, is going to look back at this version of you and say one of two things. Thank you, or why didn't you? Every time you choose discipline over distraction, courage over comfort, growth over fear, you're casting a vote for the person you want to become. So ask yourself, what would future you thank you for? Would they thank you for taking your health seriously, for investing in your skills, for setting boundaries, for finally leaving what was safe but no longer right? Would they thank you for not giving up when it got hard? Because it will get hard. That's not a reason to stop. It's a reason to dig deeper, to remind yourself why you started, to remember that your future is built in the decisions you make when no one's watching. This one choice, whatever it is for you, will impact your next 5 years. Maybe not today, maybe not next week, but soon enough you'll feel the shift in your habits, in your relationships, in your bank account, in your confidence. And one day you'll wake up and realize you are living the result of the decision you made right now. So don't take this moment lightly. Don't brush it off as just another day. It's not, it's the day. The day you choose differently. The day you say, I'm done waiting. The day you commit not to perfection, but to progress. Because 5 years from now, you're going to arrive somewhere. Make sure it's somewhere you chose. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share, and subscribe for motivational videos.